Midnight Trinity here, and today I'm going to unbox something that I got from one of my friends. Anyway, if you would like to see that, stay tuned. So this is the first thing. She got me an eyebrow kit. I've already used it. She got me this Radiance kit from Smoke and Mirrors, and this is what it looks like. And so let's swatch some of those. We'll do a blush, a highlighter, and one of the eyeshadows. Here's the highlighter. Here's the blush. And here's the eyeshadow. They're really nice. Smoke and Mirrors never disappoints. She gave me these little NYX like eyeshadows. There's this like dark purple one. Let's swatch that on my hand. Super pretty. Then we have this like peach colored one. Don't know if it's going to show up on my skin. Then we have this pink one. Then we have these lipsticks from NYX. There's this purple one. We have this pink one. She gave me this Jolie Cosmetics highlighter stick. She gave me this True Shine lipstick. Running out of space. She gave me this other True Shine lipstick. She gave me this Balm lip color. She gave me this cute little pendant, and it's got lavender in it. She gave me this cute little bracelet. She gave me these 3 Cokey lipsticks. I'm going to try at least one of these on, but so you can get an idea. That's probably the one I'm going to try on. And then there's this bright pink one. So let's put these on. So that's everything I got in that box. And if you would like to check out my friend's YouTube, she has a YouTube. Her name is DorkieMakeup. DorkieMakeup, all one word. Anyway, if you would like to give me a like, a subscribe, and make sure if you have any ideas to leave a comment down below. Anyway, Midnight Trinity out!